natural health for beginners.
Discover the secret to luminous, radiant, glass-like skin with an unexpected beauty ingredient: potatoes. Yes, this humble kitchen staple has incredible properties that can enhance your skincare routine. In this video, we explore why potatoes deserve a spot in your beauty regimen and share practical ways to use them for achieving glass skin. Why potatoes work wonders for your skin. Potatoes are packed with natural enzymes, antioxidants, and vitamins that provide a host of benefits. Rich in vitamin C, brightens skin, reduces pigmentation, and promotes collagen production. Enzymes for exfoliation. The natural enzymes in potatoes gently remove dead skin cells. Anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces puffiness and soothes irritated skin. Potassium for hydration. Keeps skin moisturized and prevents dryness. Astringent qualities. Helps minimize pores and even out skin tone. Easy DIY potato treatments for glass skin. 1. Potato face mask for brightening. Ingredients: 1 medium potato, grated. 1 tablespoon honey. Directions: peel and grate the potato to extract its juice. Mix the potato juice with honey to create a smooth paste. Apply to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Potato toner for pore refinement. Ingredients: potato juice. Rose water. Directions: blend and strain a potato to extract its juice. Mix equal parts of potato juice and rose water. Store in a spray bottle and use as a refreshing toner daily. Potato eye pads for puffiness. Ingredients: 2 potato slices. Directions: chill potato slices in the refrigerator. Place them over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Gently rinse and pat dry to reveal bright, depuffed eyes. Tips for using potato-based skincare. Always patch test before applying to avoid allergic reactions. Use freshly prepared potato extracts for maximum effectiveness. Incorporate potato skincare into your nighttime routine for best absorption. Real results from real people. The video shares inspiring testimonials from users who've transformed their skincare with potatoes. Many report a brighter complexion, reduced acne scars, and a dewy, hydrated glow. Final thoughts. Who knew potatoes could be the key to achieving the highly sought-after glass skin look? With their natural brightening, hydrating, and soothing properties, potatoes are a game-changer in DIY skincare. Ready to experience this potato-powered transformation? Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.